Our local dolphins live in the waters of the Gulf of Mexico, typically no more than 4 miles from shore, and in our rivers, bays, and estuaries. The water temperatures they live in can range from a low of 50 degrees in the winter to a high of 90 degrees in late summer. In our area, they feed on over 40 different species of fish. At times, they will also feed on invertebrates, including squid and small crabs. Here at the surface, there are a ton of fish jumping in the water. A bottlenose dolphin is a species of marine mammal that is gray to dark gray in color with a light-colored belly. Adult males can grow up to 600 pounds and 9 feet long. They have an average lifespan of about 20 years, but some males can live into their late 30s and females into their late 40s. We know that one of the dolphins in our area, named Calamity, is at least 37 years old. There is a big difference between our local coastal bottlenose dolphins and their deep-water relatives. Our local dolphins do not live in pods like deep-water bottlenose dolphins, but in congregations. It's called a fission-fusion society, which means they come together with certain dolphins in the area, then they go meet with others. Our local dolphins, having adapted to shallow waters, are about 1/3 smaller than their deep-water relatives, and they're also found in smaller groups of about 2 to 8. It's not uncommon for one lone dolphin to be found as well. Their deep-water relatives travel in very large groups, at times up to hundreds. They also migrate hundreds of miles at different times of the year, but our local dolphins normally stay within a 20 to 25 mile range.
3 o'clock.
Back in action. One just went right to the back of the boat.
Max out about 600.
All right.
As a top predator, the health and population numbers of our local dolphins are an excellent reflection of the health of the ecosystem. Oh, hey there, Riley! He's looking for dolphins with us today on the Dolphin Explorer. Did you know that it takes approximately 500,000 pounds of fish yearly to sustain the population of our dolphins in Area 1? Should the local dolphin population decrease in this area, it would suggest a problem in the ecosystem, either in the fish population, pollution, or both. There are 3 distinct groupings in our local coastal bottlenose dolphin society. Male pair bonds, for example, Hatchet and Capri are a young new male pair bond in our area. Moms and calves, also called maturity groupings. Halfway is the mother of cute little Kaya.
2 moms get together for a play date. Which they'll do. I mean, sometimes they'll spend the time with their calf alone, but sometimes they'll get together with 2 or 3 other moms, similar age calves, let them socialize.
And also subadults, which are like teenagers for dolphins. Seymour is one of our subadults. Here is a group of moms and calves. They must have joined together to have a play date. Let's see what James has cited from the Dolphin Explorer.
Little calf.
Bubbles.
Halfway in Kaya, mom and calf. Sometimes they're just out. Oh, he's right in front of us talking around. They're really close. That seed pod because there's one specific calf that does it all the time. James Kaya. 5 minutes.
Kaya loves to play with the mangrove seed pods in the water. Dolphins use something called echolocation. It is used to locate their prey or an object. The dolphin produces a sound which travels and is bounced back by solid objects, then detected by the dolphin. The bouncing is called echo. Dolphins send out a beam of clicking sounds forward from their melon and receive the echo in their lower jaw. It even gives them the distance of an object so they know how far away it is. Also, sound travels a long distance in the water, so dolphins are able to detect dangers or food even if they can't see it yet.
The microphone into the water. Sometimes we can hear some vocalization from them. It's always really cool.
Is that them?
That's them.
Amazing.
Back and forth. Trying to listen to see, kind of squeaking back and forth. All kinds of different sounds. Get you closer to the hydrophone. Did you guys hear the whistles and squeaking?
Wow.
Yeah, that was them
That's
talking.
kind
They're
of,
moving
they
away
were
a
talking
little
in a
bit.
pattern,
It's always
kind
cool.
of.
It's very,
Yeah.
That
not too
sounds
often
similar
we get
the whole
into a nice
time.
group to where we can turn the outboards off, stick the microphone in the water, but they're all talking back and forth to each other.
Got a pretty rich
sharing their
repertoire of
stories.
sounds.
In the next 10 weeks, you will get to see certain dolphins in our area during the live video session and get to know them like we do. I hope you enjoyed learning about our coastal bottlenose dolphins.